hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. What's up, big gunner? Let me tell you guys, big gunner. I love big gunner.
Hey, stop! Why? I just don't get it. I always catch you fuckers watching this sick shit. This is sickening.
When your mom makes you do your homework instead of game like you're supposed to be doing.
Hey, stop! Why? I just don't get it. I always catch you fuckers watching this sick shit. This is sickening.
When you realize that you have school this Monday. Not bad.
Hey, stop! Why? I just don't get it. I always catch you fuckers watching this sick shit. This is sickening.
Hey! Stop it!
I'm fast as fuck,
No,
boy.
you're not.
Get out of the way!
Hey, stop! Why? I just don't get it. I always catch you fuckers watching this sick shit. This is sickening.
Hey, how's it going, guys? And welcome to Best Trends. Today we're gonna be going over 5 Fortnite YouTubers who've sworn.
This is sickening.
Uno card! Get your fucking ass up here! It's Uno card.
What the fuck?
What did you do?
What?
What the fuck?
I didn't do that!
What the hell is that? What the hell is that?
What is this?
Cody!
Tell me.
I didn't do that!
Tell me what you did.
I swear to God, I didn't do that!
It's all over the carpet.
I didn't do that! I don't have anything to cover with it!
Why did you do that?
You ruined the carpet.
Get out of here. Mind your
I didn't
business.
do that! Mommy, Dad, I didn't
Oh
do
my
it!
god. Oh my god.
You know how much that...
I didn't do that! I swear!
Cody,
I didn't do it!
you're taking it.
The fucking lion again. Hey, stop! Why? I just don't get it. I always catch you fuckers watching this sick shit. This is sickening.
Yes, I think the first place that we want to go today is Puerto Rico to check out this interesting 360 video that NPR took of what's going on down there. So let's go quickly teleport there. All right. So now we are in a 360 video in Puerto Rico, and hold on a second, and you can kind of get a sense of what is. We're on a bridge here. It's flooded.
This is sickening.
You can get a sense of some of the damage here that the hurricanes have done, and I mean, this is one of the things that's really magical about virtual reality is you can get the feeling that you're really in a place, right? I mean, I probably should have mentioned this before, but Rachel and I actually aren't even, I think, in the same building in the physical world
Exactly.
here.
We're in
But
totally
I mean,
different places.
we're here. I mean, it feels like we're in the same place and we're making eye contact.
but
We're
we
talking
could-
to each
we could
other.
high five.
Yeah.
Hey, stop! Why? I just don't get it. I always catch you fuckers watching this sick shit. This is sickening.
辛いなら辛いって言えよ。俺もみんなも絶対お前を助けるから。俺だってカケルが悩んでること知らずに笑ってたくないんだよ。俺だって母ちゃん毎日うるさくて、勉強しろだの部屋片付けろだの毎日めんどくせえって思ってるよ。そんなの当然だろ。
you fuckers watching this sick shit. This is sickening.
I see you don't have a lifeguard here at your beach.
I'm not at the beach. This is a bathtub.
No body of water is safe without a lifeguard.
It's 2 feet deep, lady. What are you doing here?
You can relax. You're safe now. Your lifeguard is here.
Okay.
Get out of the water. There's a shark.
What? A shark?
Get out of the water.
Shark?
There's a shark in the water.
Wait a minute. There's no shark in the bathtub.
Aren't you glad you had a lifeguard here to save you?
Hey, stop! Why? I just don't get it. I always catch you fuckers watching this sick shit. This is sickening.
When your mom makes you do your homework instead of doing what you're supposed to be doing.